Hi, this is Wes from Farmstead. We've got something going on today. I know it's been a while since I've seen you, so howdy. So what we've got going on is we're getting ready to go pick up something, and it's rather heavy, so I need to take the trailer, and I've got to check the tires, make sure the tire pressure's good, and I need to go on ahead and quickly get a little bit of grease into the axles, and then also check the lug nuts, make sure all the lug nuts are tight. So, okay, so here we go. And I'm working alone today, so bear with me. By the way, this is a little thing called Astro AI pressure gauge. Man, I love this thing. And no, there's no funding or anything from them, or I'm not sponsored by them or anything else. I just like their equipment. Like this only had 57 pounds. Now it's got 61.6, and I got to check to be sure what the pressure. It should be okay, 80. So it's 80 psi. Matter of fact, I think since I've had this trailer, it's probably the first time I've really added air. Haven't really pulled anything with any weight on it. Okay, right at 80 pounds. It's only 57.7 to start. Okay, there's 80. Now, before I lift this thing up, I'm going to go on and tighten the, check the lug nuts. Yeah, they were a little bit loose. Try one more. Yep. Okay. Now, last thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of grease in these axles. I know they say that when you do this, you've got to take and keep pumping on the grease until all the old grease comes out, and the new grease is then fully in. But all I'm trying to do is just be sure I can get some grease in it, just in case. Okay. Okay, there's one. Now what I like to do is when I do this, I like to spin the tire also when I'm putting grease in it. Okay. Should be good for that one. Oh, geez. You know, it's kind of funny. I can have this remote control for the truck. I can be sitting here trying like crazy to hit that remote start, and the thing won't work, okay? Well, the minute I put it in my pocket and I bend down or something, it'll start the dang thing every time. I tell you. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's basically what I do to make sure that the trailer's ready, especially if you're going to be carrying weight on it. And we'll be carrying close to 10,000 pounds on this trailer. So, you know, you're looking at a 14K trailer. 10,000 pounds is close to max weight on it. So what I'm going to do now is I've got to do the other side. I'm not going to bore you with this. And we'll catch back up with you when Tanya will be with me, and we'll be on our way to Pryor, Oklahoma, and then we'll show you what we got in store and what we're picking up for the farmstead. Alrighty, y'all take care, and I'll see you here in a little bit.
Alright, we're getting ready to go pick up a new toy for Wes.
Not really a toy.
No, it's not really a toy. Go ahead and explain real quick.
Piece of equipment. I explained a little bit ago. But we're coming into Pryor, Oklahoma right now, and we're getting ready to pass Walmart here in a minute, and then the place we're going to is right down here on the right. So
Let's just take a look at where we're going.
yep, matter of fact, you can see it from here, but we do have several trucks in front of us, so we aren't going to be getting anywhere too fast.
Let's see if you can see it. Right there, the little orange sign right there.
Orange sign. I thought you were going to tell them it's that New Holland sign.
Or the New Holland sign. Oh, here it is. The orange
Yeah,
sign.
we're not going to the New Holland one. That's for sure. Going right here. To Kubota.
Okay, it's got 13.8 hours.
Okay, so that's in there. Was there anything else that he mentioned besides the bucket that was going to come with it or anything?
Yeah. Hats and
Okay, I got hats, and then he's going to let her pick out shirts. So I'm aware of that.
no, that's pretty much it.
Okay, so basically you got grease points, all these little places where it flexes, we're going to go in and grease that. We've got an operator's manual, and we'll go over the page in the book inside that'll tell you exactly what to do and the hours to do it, so you follow that hour chart. That just got a little curl lock, and I just didn't see this little curl lock. That allows you to get up here, get into this area.
Blow it all out. Pull that out. Yeah. So I don't have to worry about the air conditioner coils and everything on it.
Yeah, it's all right up top. Full
Everything
filter.
easy.
Yeah, all your filters are really great to get to. Water separator right here. So, full filter, hydraulic filter, engine oil filter. Let's see.
Battery.
Air filter, battery. So, I mean, that's the nice thing about the wheel unit is the maintenance is really easy. You got extra weight back here because when they do the weights and tell you what they can lift and everything, they do the empty. So when you actually put fluid in there, you got extra, you have to counterbalance.
Cool.
And so you can actually, with these two bolts right here, add counterweights to that if you'd like later on. If you something that you're doing that you know kind of a little chintzy. Do they have a what?
Is there a bracket that goes on there?
It's actually a weight, so I think those weights are slotted. So these bolts will come out, and they'll probably give you longer bolts depending on how many bolts, and you'll just screw back in there. But those weights have two slots made into the bottom, and they'll just attach that way and held on there by force.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, and I know it's got all this. Yeah, I kind of
Done some research on it.
Yeah. That, and I read the manual from one end to the other.
Yeah,
So.
well, that's good. A lot of people have got a manual and they don't even know what it says.
No.
But you know your standard flow, and then you've got a case drain return.
Okay.
Hand and foot controls, actually hand controls, and then gas.
Pilot control.
Foot control, yeah.
Yeah, it's pilot. That's what I wanted.
It's great. I've got two little grandsons that I FaceTime them about every other day.
It's the best way to go.
All right, so we're getting ready to take this home with us after the paperwork, of course. Oh.
Danuser intruder.
The Danuser intruder. Always going to be something that you want to dig up.
So this is what Wes is wanting now.
Yeah, intruder. This thing's awesome. Man, I could see, and you could get out
Small
there.
ones.
Yeah, and you could get out there and
Yep.
I've seen them. I've watched on the demos. They got trees there about like that.
Yeah.
Well, it's done. We went to Springdale, and this is a awesome place. Wes is having just way too much fun. Let's check it out. Wow, that thing turns on a dime.
Man, that thing's quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. Put the bucket up here.
There you go.
Bad. You keep them greased up and never bend them. They're not bad. I would do that over the hydraulic. You got a cylinder and all electronics. You have a knife on
See if I can do it without cutting anything.
getting it all tied down.
So we'd have to come back down and
Well, thank you.
get it. Hey, appreciate everything, Scott. Definitely. Thanks. All right. So